Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. To think ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda thought he had a leg to stand on with this case yakanongoma, it just didn't work out, the thing. Even this colonel was just saying, this person has never appeared for this case in Ganongoma. There's nothing there. And no Brigadier Gininda, they thought this was gonna work. This is not working, bruh. I think this is why Attorney Ramusipile had to call this guy and be like, can you just tell the court here, Uguti, that this case will never work? I'm happy you're here, actually.
Let's just continue, guys, unpacking around Lento Magala Gininda. Gininda thought he will never be found out. I don't know why Gininda thought he's above the law in herself just because he is a SAPS employee. Like, the kind of power, they're abusing power, those people. Like, you've never seen. Mangisi, those people, I mean all the SAPS members that you see now, that are rogue, that are being arrested right now. Because, I don't get it. And the advocacy Nxumalo went straight to this Makimbi guy, so he was arrested, and then when he was arrested, take out your docket, bro. I need to have the docket. Take it out and tell me when was he arrested, this guy, in 2018, so that you can tell me was Ntanzi arrested immediately after this guy. Oh, the colonel, the witness was just like, no, he wasn't. Oh, Brigadier Gininda, guys, the lies. Oh my gosh. Just as much as I said on my video before this one, I don't get it. Why is Colonel there? Because Colonel doesn't talk about Ntanzi being arrested at all. But we needed that Nongoma case. It was such a broken record. It was irritating now and annoying. So we've been wanting to know something doesn't get up. And Nakona this Nongoma case. How is it helping us to get to where we want to get to? Was Ntanzi at Kelly's house? Ntanzi Valley is Mgulugudu. Such things. We needed to know for sure. This guy, Colonel, is just like, hey, Ntanzi was never arrested. I'm going to Anga's next. And when Umakimbi Buteliz was arrested, I was there. I don't know anything about Ntanzi. Imagine, guys. There was no J50 for Ntanzi, warrant of arrest, nothing. Remember Ntanzi in his evidence, so many times he said, why is Nongoma case not put forward? Because everything that Mgulugudus do. There was no answer all the time. Nangu Colonel now is here. Can you get the answers? I'm not even gonna dwell on baby Sibanda. Oh, Roni Sibanda, Dogotel. Akapori, Ayanje. Busy injecting on advocates Zithulile Nxumalo when he was saying then Ntanzi's arrest, what was it all about then? As in then Dr. Sibanda ngena blog, because Ntanzi, this Colonel has nothing to do with his arrest. He wasn't the investigative officer. I know that like he wants to fagaza everything. Rata likes gaslighting the defense. Advocating Nxumalo was just asking for the docket to 636. Well, it's not going to be easy to take out that information from the state to give it to the defense. What's hard? And the Noras was just gaslighting him. It's just like, you've already put it on the record, so what are you doing? I'm just like, guys, Dr. Sibanda, oh my gosh. The way he handles things is worse than Balawi by far. But in that packet, Sebelula this docket now. I'm like, value 636, the people who were in the house. Leo docket, yes, it's just like a nightmare for the states. It's just like, hey, you're not getting anything, place it on record and apply. Must apply for what? I have to see that docket. I need to see that docket. As soon as I then place it on record, I'm just like, this guys. It's a lot. Isn't it? It's always been though. So basically, Umukhane was busy with the case Ntanzi yakanongoma that has nothing to do with him. And then both of them not getting that they acted like this was their case. And this witness is just like, okay, then. He's just like, this was my case. I'm the one who was investigating it. Guys, as in, even when you think you are above the law for the longest time, doors are closing in for Mohani and Brigadier Gininda. We're calling for their J50s. Warrant of arrest is imminent. Remember, I did touch a bit on Umshololo and Rata's fight that ensued in court. And Umshololo was dragged up. Uthi mina ngu-advocate Zandile Mshololo. Ukuthi une 55 years experience. Zashintsha iy'tori zaRata, you know, ne? He said 35 at some stage. I was just at 35 on what? Busy knows it today. I have 35 experience, 35 years experience. You know that he's 55, right? He's been practicing since 1970. So he's just like, I have 55 years experience. Sure, didn't care. He was just like, Minage. And experience. And it's not the first time, you know, ne, that they have a fight like this. There was a time in 2024, Mshololo was like, we also know the law, my lord. What's your Rata? So we're there again. Rata says, no, I'm sorry to brag about my experience. With my experience, remember, when Brigadier Gininda came here, he was telling us about the Buthelezi brothers. But that has nothing to do with us. And your experience is not helping the court. I lost respect together with the Mayors, especially with Swiss Mayor. We lost the respect. I lost respect to Rata in December already. I'm so over Rata, guys. I've been saying it for the past 5 months at least. I'm just like, I'm done. I don't want anything to do with Rata because he will keep on telling you about his experience, the rubbing it on your face. But I'm just like, and then how does it help us? Or our children for that matter? What are they learning from that? Nothing. When they want to become judges or be in law, they're not looking at Rata. Guys, I'm sure. It's just like Umuntu who even badmouths Mandela. When our children love Mandela so much, they're just like Umuntu Mandela who did such great things. And then Urata, Uban. So you want to learn what I'm trying to say here. Urata, his 55 years experience doesn't do anything for this case. Nothing whatsoever. I'm sorry to brag with my experience. Gininda was talking about the Buthelezi brothers, and then what? The Buthelezi brothers have nothing to do with us, guys. Please. Why was Ntanzi arrested? Ntanzi was wrongfully arrested, guys. And we need to look at that. And it's wrong. And we continue to look at it as South Africans. Those 5 accused. And even on stream media, they repeat those 5 accused are the right ones. How are they the right ones, guys? No, it's wrong. Guys, it didn't end well yesterday. It was heated and it has nothing to do with age. Tololo wasn't shouting at Rata, guys. Stop. Stop, please. Old or not. Stop. Age had nothing to do with this. And normally at work, by the time the layout of bringing up age and people must gaslight people and then do things that are not right. And then now, like, this has nothing to do with anything, guys. Once I'm 80 years old, okay. 2 weeks ago, remember I said last week, Uteona 78, right? Last year, besides it's going to be 80 this year. We actually don't know Rata's age anymore, you know. Yeah, I'm done with his age. And the Mshololo is done. She was just like, bruh, I don't care. At this point, stop protecting people and stop protecting fabricated evidence. Stop it. She told him straight up. She didn't care. And then she was just like, actually, can we adjourn? In fact, I cannot continue. I'm distracted. What's your Rata? What is so you want us to adjourn? Actually, I'm not moving from this chair. We don't care, bruh. Oh, we are tired, you know, busy, like gaslighting defense, guys. Until when? Sibukele, as South Africans, it's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna watch anyways. Palestina, there were no people that came at Khumalo's house. Until the very end.